Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make money by reading emails and doing surveys. And it is easy. Please feel free to like and subscribe for more. There are only 3 steps. Preparing the way to be paid, sign up on the website, and reading emails. Let's get started by creating PayPal account if you don't have any. Go to paypal.com. So PayPal is a platform that helps you to send and receive payment easily. So you will go on ahead and create a PayPal account. Then enter your number to continue. So the next step is to go to www.paidtoreademail.com, as it is written there. So this is the website that will allow you to make money. Take a minute and read these small texts. So how does it work? 3 simple steps for you to get paid for reading emails online. Sign up. Read emails. Get paid. Scroll up and sign up. Enter your name. Enter email. Create password. Then click sign up. Here you will go ahead and enter the additional personal information. Then sign up. Here you get $3 free sign up bonus. So here you can earn more money with opinions, offers, points and reading emails. Or use surveys. So here you have to activate your account by going to your emails and confirm email. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.